Home safe. This is what the neighborhood looks like. It's a ghost town everywhere. So, what's going on? Let's see. I got my mom. We're watching the Spanish channel news. Di hello. We got somebody chilling out. He's just relaxing. Hi, Papa. He's not nervous at all. He's doing good. And I got the fire extinguisher. I'm finishing up a little laundry. I'm going to fill up the bathtub in a little bit. Oh, I have to get this refrigerator. 9, freezer. 9, set them as cold as possible. Hi, Papa. Hi, Ubers. And we're going to set the AC to... I'll set it to 70. My mom doesn't need to be that cold. But Loki's doing good. I'm staying in for the remainder. I'll try to stream the hurricane on Instagram. So if you guys log into Loki's Instagram, Loki the Red Fox, I'll be streaming this hurricane. Hi, Papa. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit, but right now we're bunkered down. Everything's good. Mom's watching the news. So we're good. Thank you for all the prayers and good well wishes. Wish the same for everybody in its path. And we'll see if we will survive this. We're strong. Alright? Talk to you guys soon.